Good morning. We have a winter advisory in effect for tonight for 1 to 4 inches of snow in a whole bunch of counties, and I was curious to see what astrometeorologically, what the astro weather, what the planets might say. Now, I have not done this specifically for the day in terms of will it snow or won't it snow inchwise. I've not been successful at that. I have been successful, of course, at forecasting the overall weather for the seasons. Just as I said, this winter will be unusually warm and sunny, and hurrah, it has been. I cast a chart to test this out for tonight, April 2nd, about 8 o'clock tonight. I'm not going to quibble over a few seconds. And we see we have Mercury and Uranus in opposite the first house. That's always a heads-up sign. Mercury is wind. Uranus is surprise, unexpected things. Now we look at the fourth house. The fourth house also is in Capricorn, which is ruled by Saturn. So we want to see if Saturn, Mercury, or Uranus are going to be affecting us specifically here. So for that, we look at the planetary chart. And what we see is here we see a Uranus line running down Amsterdam, but not really anywhere near us. This is Butternuts, where I live. This is Utica. Oneonta would be about here. Norwich would be about here. So Norwich is closer to the Mars line, so Mars, Neptune, so that suggests water, rain, heavy water rain there. We do have this Uranus line running, this white line running right through Binghamton. Boom. So if there's going to be snow, if there's going to be a shocker or a surprise, Binghamton is the place that's going to get hit the hardest in this area. And of course, anywhere along this line, this white line. Sun, Jupiter, we don't need to look at anything there. The key is this Uranus line. Anybody living on that Uranus line. Neptune line, that's water, rain. And Mars, Neptune, that's also, in this case, rain. So we're closer to rain, we're looking at rain. And overall, with Saturn, Mercury is wind, cold. So it could be cold, it could be windy, it could be rainy. I'm going to take the chance, it being my first time looking at this and saying it's not going to snow much here, but as I said before, I have not been successful on the day-to-days with the meteorologists. The modern-day meteorologists are more successful that way. I'm more successful forecasting the seasonal weathers, the monthly weathers for a season, a year, 10 years in advance. But it seemed like fun to try this out, and let's see what happens. Have a warm, happy evening, Saturday evening and Sunday morning. And if you do have to shovel tomorrow, do some yoga before and afterwards. And we're in the springtime, folks, so either way, we're out of this quickly. Have a great weekend.